Hello. So, today I went through the final interview with a company for a freelance position. I ended up receiving an offer, but the hourly rate was not as I expected. So I ended up not taking the offer. I hope I won't regret it, and I honestly don't think I will. I do have already plans for stuff to do, as I am gonna be investing in digital assets. Other than that, I definitely have some catch up to do with my current freelance client, which is my goal for the next week. And hopefully, after that, I'll try to focus on my plan for YouTube and marketing. So, yeah, this is it for today. See you in the next episode. Bye.